Gatho muno ni undu wa gucoka mubunge wa kuria githunguri Gatho ni Wamuchomba ni aroka kumundia Kimani wa Ichungwa na Ndeto ndito muno ni undu wa miario iria arakorirwo akiaria muthenya wa ira kuria Bungoma kuria hamwe na President William Ruto marakoretwo magitwara Speaker wa National Assembly Moses Wetangula gukorwo agithika his mom. Atongoria agisiasa kuma icigo ngurani ni monekana kwaga gukenio ni miario ino. Kimani wa Ichungwa arakorirwo akimunderia governor wa kuria Trans Nzoia George Natembeya hamwe na Deputy President Muhagura Rigathi wa Gachagua. Riu Gatho ni Wamuchomba uri utonenekana gukorwo akihuha Kimani wa Ichungwa na hanini akimwira ati areka maundu niguo tugukenia mutongoria uyu wa bururi. Gatho ni riu akiuga Kimani wa Ichungwa ni mundu umwe riu uronekana ari ready gwika what it takes just to impress his boss. Ciugo cia MP Gatho ni Wamuchomba ikionekana gwitikirwo ni mubunge wa kuria Manyata Gitonga mukiuga ati the majority leader suffers from a disease yataurwo ni ahuthiri aguku social media. Makiuga ni Jona Dina akiuga the disease is caused by extreme pressure and anxiety to impress your senior so that he or she can see and love you. Wamuchomba nake agitenderithia ndeto eno ya mubunge Gitonga akiuga I told you when a man is frustrated he either drinks himself out or runs away. Akiuga it's not a habit of men to rant in public. No wonder Governor Natembeya was just laughing. Wamuchomba na mubunge Gitonga magithie na mbere na kuorota Kimani wa Ichungwa makimwira ati riu ni orite fara na ni ndeto yathie na mbere kugathurwo makiria guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Kenya ahuthiri ya social media makionekana na hanini ni magite gukenio ni miario iria irakiuma kanwa-ini ka mubunge uyu no uragitwo majority leader ciaria toria cianginyira ndigocitenderithia makiria. Make sure ni ura turn on your notification oga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakorwo ri wa mbere gukinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.